Hello everyone, I am Maxi. I'm super excited today. I have something to show you. I got these magic masks that I'm gonna try on, but I'm not alone today. I have a special guest. Let me just get off my spaceship. There you go. So here I am with my special guest. Orbit? Orbit, where are you? Orbit! There you are, little one. So you can see that Orbit is in a little spaceship, just like mine. He cannot get out of it because he's like an alien dog, so he's gonna stay in there. He got me all these masks. Orbit, please, can you show us the masks? Great. So let's see. We have a bear, we have a cat, we have a fox, we have a lion, we have a monkey, we have an owl, we have a panda, we have a rabbit, and we have a tiger. What do you mean, Orbit? Oh yeah, of course, we also have a dog mask. I'm sorry, Orbit. So, are you ready? Let's play some music and let's try all these masks on. Are you ready, Orbit? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go! I'm a bear. Ooh. I'm a kitty. Whoa! I'm a beautiful fox. I'm a lion. I'm a monkey. Wow! I'm an owl. Whoa, so cute! I'm a panda. Hello, I'm a little rabbit. Whoa! I'm a tiger. This was so much fun. Thank you, Orbit. I loved it. So, let's see. Which of all these masks is your favorite? I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't think I can pick. What about you? What about you, Orbit? Oh, you like the owl mask? That's quite interesting. I love them all. So, which was your favorite mask? So, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments which was your favorite mask. I'm not sure yet. I cannot choose, guys. Anyways, I hope you liked it. See you soon.
You have been learning with Maxi. Remember to subscribe and give us a like.